And
Well, God gave us a mandate in Genesis which said, basically, be good stewards of what I've created and be the manager of it. And what we've done as a humanity, for the most part, is we've destroyed His creation over and over again, every chance we get. And, glyphosate, poison water, chlorine water, fluorinated water, just every chance we get, pesticides, insecticides, herbicides, every chance we get, we're poisoning His creation. But His creation was created in order to be self-sustaining and to all the minerals and everything and vitamins and things that the plants need. It's supposed to be cycled within the system, the ecosystem in the soil. But if the ecosystem in the soil is not even given a chance to be there because of, there's no covering, there's no moisture, it dries out every time the sun shines hard, then it's not going to do what it was designed to do, and therefore you're going to have wheat plants that all these insects, they were designed to come get the wheat plants. So then we well, let's spray them with pesticide. This is a different thought process. This is, hey, let's help nature be the best that it can be. Let's be good stewards. And let's see what that gets us. And then we're not eating food that is filled with poison. And if you've ever seen a pepper inside of a pepper, how many seeds are in there? There's an abundance of seeds inside every pepper. God meant for us to live in abundance. I mean, the first two people He put in a garden full of everything they ever thought they wanted. So much food that there was no possibility of them starving ever. That's